We begin this broadcast with a news alert coming in from India, where Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi has taken his first dose of COVID vaccine. Now, India is all set to begin the second phase of its mega COVID-19 vaccination drive from today. Prime Minister Modi was given the first dose of India's first indigenous vaccine against COVID-19, which is Covaxin, developed by Bharat Biotech. Now, Prime Minister shared a picture of him getting vaccinated at the AIIMS in New Delhi. He also called the efforts of Indian doctors and scientists remarkable for working in quick time to strengthen the global fight against COVID-19. Prime Minister Modi also appealed to anyone who's eligible to take the vaccine and make India COVID-19 free. Now, vaccination drive in India was rolled out on the 16th of January. After the vaccination of the frontline workers, vaccination for age-appropriate population groups begins today. Under this phase, people over the age of 60 and those over the age of 45 but who have illnesses will begin to get vaccinated. Now, Prime Minister Modi tweeted, and let me just read out that tweet for you. He said, "Took my first dose of COVID-19 vaccine at AIIMS. Remarkable how our doctors and scientists have worked in quick time to strengthen the global fight against COVID-19. I appeal to all those eligible to take the vaccines. Together, let us make India COVID-19 free." We're also getting some more information regarding Prime Minister getting the first dose of the vaccine. A Prime Minister is seen wearing a gamcha of Assam, which is symbolic of blessings of women from the state of Assam. Now, Prime Minister has been seen wearing this particular item of clothing on many occasions. Prime Minister went to AIIMS without any route change on the roads, thus choosing early morning to ensure no inconvenience to the people. So this is what we are learning. He went really early morning and avoided any route closures. We can also tell you that Sister P. Nevada from Puducherry administered the Covaxin or Bharat Biotech vaccine to Prime Minister. So this was Sister P. Nevada from Puducherry who administered the dose to Prime Minister. As we told you, India begins its second phase of the vaccination drive. According to this, people over the age of 60 can get vaccinated, or people over the age of 45 who have illnesses. Now, since the vaccination drive began in India last month, over 14 million vaccine doses have been administered across India. However, according to government figures, the coverage has been lower than expected because only about half the people are turning up for each vaccination session as the government expected. Only 50% out of 100 are turning up for the vaccination. So Prime Minister Modi is appealing to anyone who's eligible to come out and get vaccinated and make India vaccine free. We can also tell you the vaccines Covishield and Covaxin are currently approved in India. They will be available for free at government hospitals and at a cab price of 250 rupees per dose at private hospitals. The cost will comprise 150 rupees for the vaccine shot and 100 rupees as operational charges, as well as India steps up its efforts to vaccinate the most vulnerable people against COVID. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.